Hey friends, if you wish to insert an email image into the email body on Gmail, then please watch this video. So click on compose first of all. I'll expand it to show it better, and then enter the name of the recipient, then enter the subject and some what do we say body here, and then select your cursor where you want the image. After that, click on this option here, this insert photo option. Click on it and then select upload, and then click on browse, and if you want to select it from the system you can select it this way. Okay, this is what you can do. Otherwise you can also pick images from the web. I'll show you how. You can go to web address and paste the URL of the image, but here you need to be careful that it should not be a copyright image, otherwise it may create a problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.